Welcome to Nemo's World. It's me Nimesh Nayak. Today I am discussing CSIR Net Questions December 2018. Topic Real Analysis. It's a part B question. Question: Consider the map f from Q to R defined by f of 0 is equal to 0 and f of R is equal to p by 10 power q, where R is equal to p by q with p belongs to Z and q belongs to N, and GCD of P and Q is equal to 1. Then the map F is option number 1, 1, 1 and onto, and option number 2, not 1, 1 but onto, and option number 3, onto but not 1, 1, and option number 4, neither 1, 1 nor onto. So we have given the function from Q to R and given by f of 0 is equal to 0 and f of R is equal to p by 10 power q, where R is equal to p by q with p belongs to Z and q belongs to N, and the GCD of p and q is equal to 1. So this condition is like the definition of rationals. Now we want to analyze this function is 1 1 or not, and it is onto or not. So before going through the options, first of all we want to know some result. So result number 1, if f from A to B such that f is onto, then the cardinality of A is greater than or equal to the cardinality of B. And option number 2, the set of all rationals is countable and the set of all real is uncountable. Using this we can verify whether f is onto or not. So the function we have given f from Q to R by f of x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0, and p by 10 power q if x belongs to q minus set 0. Now assume that f is onto, then by our result number 1 we have cardinality of q is greater than or equal to cardinality of R, because our function f from Q to R, and by that result if f is onto, then the cardinality of q is greater than or equal to cardinality of R. But we know that the set of all reals is uncountable and the set of all rational is countable. So cardinality of R is greater than cardinality of q, that is we get a contradiction. This is because our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is f is onto, so we get our assumption is wrong, therefore we can say that f is not onto. Therefore we can conclude that our function which is not onto. Now for the 1 1, take p is equal to 10 power q, that is 1000, and q is equal to 3. Then GCD of 10 power 3 and 3 is equal to 1. So our given conditions are satisfied. Then f image of 10 power 3 by 3, which is equal to, by definition, 10 power 3 by 10 power 3, which is equal to 1. Now again take p is equal to 10 and q is equal to 1. Then GCD of 10 and 1 is equal to 1. So the given condition are also satisfied. Then f of 10 by 1, that is f of R is equal to f of 10 by 1, which is equal to, by definition, 10 by 10 power 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore we get a x1 is for x1 which is equal to 1000 divided by 3 and x2 is equal to 10. We get a f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that is we get a f of 1000 by 3 which is equal to 1 and f of 10 by 1 which is equal to 1. So we get f of x1 is equal to f of x2, but x1 not is equal to x2. Therefore our given function is not 1 1. Therefore we can say that f is not 1 1. Now we are going through the option. Our first option is says that f is 1 1 and onto, but our function is not 1 1 not onto, therefore first option is wrong. And second option is says that f is not 1 1, which is correct, but it is onto, but our given function is not onto, therefore our second option is wrong. And the third option onto, but not 1 1, our function is again not 1 1, again not onto, therefore our third option is also false. Therefore, and fourth option is says that f is neither 1 1 nor onto, therefore we have arrived that f is not 1 1 and not onto, therefore our fourth option is correct. So the correct options of this question is option number 4, and the remaining options are false. Option number 1 and 2 and 3 are wrong, and the correct option of this question is option number 4. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also share and like.